Okay guys, this is my second tutorial in Wireshark tool. So please watch my first tutorial, then you can get an idea about Wireshark tool, how to use it. So let's start this investigation. So after investigate this pkf file, I found a malicious content. Can you see in here this malicious content? This part, this wait, it's highlighted all thing. This his lee to string we this one. So we need to write it down in a paper, then we need to divide it into some parts. After divided that part, we can find a malicious content. It says like this message says easily to string will crash your little name server for sure. This one, ha ha ha. So this attack types, like we can assume, we can think it can be a DOS attack because it's saying will crash your little name server, then it can be a DOS attack. Then we need to find what are the source IP and the destination IP. You can see the source IP and destination IP. We need to go to statics, go to endpoints, then you can see what are the address, what are the ports. I'm going to select this one and go to apply as a filter selected. You can see this protocol is a UDP protocol. So source IP is this 10.0.0.1, destination IP is 146.84.28.88, and the time duration, you can see the start and end time is the same, 17:49 and 41. And I already said that the protocol is UDP protocol, and the number of packets, you can see the number of packets is 1, and the packets is only also the 1. This is a simple DOS attack. This is how to investigate a pkf file using Wireshark. This is a simple one. In next tutorial I'm going to show another attack, how to investigate, how to find these kind of attack types. So thank you.